How to add and customize a WordPress menu. Want to make your WordPress website easier to navigate? Menus are the key. Let's dive into how to add and customize them. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard, and this is how the WordPress dashboard look like. If you are new to WordPress, simply go to www.wordpress.com and log into your account. Then we'll be directed to this type of interface, which we call My Home or a dashboard. Once you are inside, you can see a lot of option in left hand side. It's over here. From this menu, tap on Appearance, which is over here, and even under Appearance, you can see three options. There's Themes, Editor and Customize. What we need in order to add a menu is Editor and Customize. You can use both of these options to add a menu to your website, which I personally prefer is Customize because it directly take to the section where you can edit the website. Regarding Editor, you have to do a few more steps in order to reach the site where you can add the menu. And there's also another option which you can see over here under the quick links edit site. You can simply tap on it and go to the website too. In total, there are the three ways you can add a menu to your website. Here's one information. If you are using older version of themes, you have to go to Appearance, and under Appearance you can see an option for the menu, and from there you can add a menu. However, in the new version of theme, you can only see Editor and Customize. So this was a whole bunch of information. Let's dive into our topic and add a menu. Let's go to the Customize. So this is how my website look like. You can see several options on your left hand side. Their site identity and all. What we need right now is use a site editor. Tap on it. From here, you can change the navigation, styles, pages, templates, and patterns. What we need right now is navigation that helps us with the menu. Simply tap on it. Let's go to the blog. Double tap on the blog. So from here, you can add a menu. Let me introduce menus on my website. Let's go to the down. So these are the menus. So this is the draft. I haven't completed it. From here, you can search anything about my website and you will be directed to that one. And this is the section which will direct my audience to the article they want to read. There's autobiography. Under it, you can see social media menus, which will directly take you to my social media. And this is the footer. You can see it over here and you can edit it like this. This is workable. So these are the menus. Now, how to add a menu. For example, I want to add a menu for my social media. Simply tap on this. You can see a plus button over here. Tap on it. Then you will be given an option of the blocks which you can use over here. Let's add Behance. After adding it, simply tap on it. Then enter your social link over here. Then tap on OK. So it's added. Like this, you can add a menu over here. And if you want to add a different menu, simply tap on this plus button over here. From there, go to navigation. Tap on it. It will add another navigation over here. So this is the navigation point and you can edit it from here. And like this, you can add a menu to your website. And over here, you can see an option for the navigation for the footer and header. You can add them too like this. So this was an overall idea about how to add and customize menu. After you add and customize the website as you like, simply tap on save over here. So it will show you the changes. There's blog, home, sidebar, and navigation. Tap on save. Let's view the site, and as you can see, we have added this one and we have added Behance. It's over here, and we also added a footer, which is this one. And this was how you can add a menu and customize it in the WordPress. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.